and we are continuing our tour of 3002 Mahalo Drive, $1.25 million in Southeast Salem. We are doing the outside tour. This is the front of the house. We're going to take a walk along the wraparound deck that goes all the way through past the front door. Here's your front yard. So large you can put seating anywhere you'd like. So this continues on, and as we continue through, you have a side yard here with an entrance to the 1.41 acres. I'm going to pan here to continue our tour of the deck, and then I will show you all this property has to offer. As we continue on our tour of this lovely property, we're heading out onto the 1.41 acres. Immediately you will see in the distance there's a sports court and a barbecue seating area. And behind us, I'm going to pan back to the house with the above ground pool. So let's go see this lovely barbecue area, fire pit, which you can enjoy with family or friends. There's some fruit trees here that are growing up and will be good this year. Here's your sports court. Basketball, pickleball, what would you like to play? Again, you'll see there's lots of space on the ground here. Maybe you'd like to put a garden or enjoy some more out in the yard. Again, this property is 1.41 acres, so we're just heading back to the back of the property here. There's so much privacy with this property. It's in a cul-de-sac, and you've got fence all the way around along with this tree line at the back. It has a little bit of a roll heading back towards the house. And it also offers a shop space here for additional boat garage. It's got a room inside along with electricity, a garage door that opens. This property has a lot of fruit trees, so you'll have some on each side of the property. And again, this is your view. And just to recap, this home is 2 stories, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3,061 square feet, situated on 1.41 acres in a cul-de-sac in Southeast Salem. If you'd like more information about this home or a private tour, please give us a call.